In this video, points to consider after a fire or flood is brought to you by moldremoval.com, the leading website on news, videos, and how to find a mold removal contractor or tester in your area. Your initial reaction or action are the most critical following any fire, water, or other emergency you have in your home or office. The first steps, again, are the most important, and fast action in deciding who you should choose to work with is one of the most important decisions you will make. You should consider a team which will represent you during this drying and remediation process of your home or office. After a fire or flood, that initial and immediate assessment and dry out to restore any water damaged area is critical to save you time and money in loss to structural components, and also save you much repairs and medical bills from mold or mildew. Choosing the qualified professional who has a training in psychometrics can limit your loss from moisture damage and prevent mold from growing, which, as we said, can be a severe health hazard to you and your family. When you first experience an unfortunate flood, fire, storm, or other disaster, you are working against time, because within 24 to 48 hours, mold growth can already start. So every family should have an evacuation plan for your home. This should include an emergency plan for a fire or flood. Preparation and being proactive on your part will help protect your family's health, not only now, but in the future. Visit moldremoval.com for additional information, and we have a complete library of various videos on indoor air quality and certified contractors and testers in your area.